Hi guys, get ready with me for nothing for my root. It's just my okay. Now let's go for powder. I actually did my powder. So now let's go for blush. Wait guys. Guys. Why is it so glittery? Oh wait, my concealer. I forgot for my concealer. Wait, I will get my concealer dance first. Yeah. Okay, my concealer is on. So I will do my contour. Hey, I'm done for my contour. It's raining! So let's go for my bronzer. Hey guys, I just actually put some, I thought it was, blush. So let's blend it. Guys, I'm done with my bronzer. So let's go for my blush. Okay, guys, I just did my full makeup because I'm so tired. Like, it's so boring. I don't like my lips. So bye, that's all.